Chapter 1, Lesson 1, Factors and Multiples. A number that is a factor of two or more numbers is called a common factor. The greatest common factors between two or more numbers is called the greatest common factor, or the GCF. The least non-zero number that is a multiple of two or more whole numbers is the least common multiple, or LCM, of the numbers. Example 1. There are one-slice servings of 3 types of pizza on a table. Each row has an equal number of servings and only one type of pizza. What is the greatest number of servings of each row? So we want to find the greatest common factor between each type of pizza to see how many slices of each pizza can be on a table so that we have an equal amount of each type. So we have 10, 15, and 20. We can make a list of factors of each one to find the greatest common factor. So factors are numbers that each number can be divided by. For example, factors of 10 would be 1, 2, 5, and 10. Factors of 15 would be 1, 3, 5, and 15. Factors of 20 would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So the greatest common factor between all three numbers would be 5, because it's the largest number that they all have in common. So there can be 5 slices of each type of pizza on a table. Example 2. Find the greatest common factor of 18 and 24. One way we can do this is using the ladder method. So for the ladder method, we write both numbers side by side and we create an L around them. Now we're first going to divide both numbers by the smallest prime number that goes into both of them. So the smallest prime number that goes into both of these is 2. So now we're going to divide. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Now we're going to do it again and keep going until we have all prime numbers. 9 and 12 can both be divided by 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Now that we have all prime numbers, we're finished, and to find the greatest common factor, we only look at the numbers on the left side and we multiply them. So 2 times 3 gives us 6. So our greatest common factor of 18 and 24 is 6. Try these yourself to check for understanding. Find the LCM, or least common multiple, of 3 and 4. We can use the ladder method for this as well. So first we write the numbers side by side. We draw an L around them for the ladder method. Now 3 and 4 don't have a prime number in common that goes into both of them, so we can break up one of them by the prime number 2. 4 can be broken up by 2 and it becomes 2. We're just going to bring down the 3. So now that we have all prime numbers, to find the least common multiple, we make an L around the ladder and we have to multiply all of the numbers now. So now we have 2 times 3 times 2. 2 times 3 gives us 6, and 6 times 2 gives us 12. So the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Another way we can do this is using a list. So if we make a list of multiples of 3 and multiples of 12, we'd have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and it'll continue on. Multiples of 4 would be 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. The least common multiple between both numbers would be 12. Find the least common multiple of 16 and 24. Again, I'm going to use the ladder method. So we're going to write them side by side and put an L around them. So the smallest prime number that goes into both of these is 2. 2 goes into 16 8 times, and 2 goes into 24 12 times. We have to continue until we have all prime numbers. So 8 and 12 can be broken up by 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 12 6 times. We have to go again. 4 and 6 can both be divided by 2. 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So to find the least common multiple, again, we make the L shape and multiply all of those numbers. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 2 more gives us 8. 8 times 2 gives us 16. And 16 times 3 gives us 48. So the least common multiple of 16 and 24 is 48. Try these yourself to check for understanding. Example 5. Josh brings his dog to the park every 2 weeks. Lisa brings her dog to the park every 5 weeks. Josh and Lisa ran into each other at the dog park this week. How many weeks will it be until they see each other again? So if Josh goes every 2 weeks, Lisa goes every 5 weeks, we want to find the least common multiple between these numbers. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and so on. Multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. So the least common multiple between these numbers is 10. So that means in 10 weeks, they'll run into each other again.